Pressure levels stable. Sequence start confirmed. Roger that. Moving to lane 4. Lane 3 is ready for exit. Copy that. Moving the next group in now. The reading on Bull 7B is still high. Let's extend its drying cycle by 5 minutes. Precision is our top priority. Every detail is carefully measured. We deliver advanced solutions. Keep the pace steady. Ensure the restraints are secure.
Acknowledged. All green on line 4.
How does that finish look, Character B?
Perfect, consistent texture and polish.
Keep them moving to station 3.
Clear the gate on lane 2 now.
Reviewing the analysis results now, the data suggests optimal horn mineralization. Confirmed, the variance is within acceptable parameters for the observation group.
Caliper reading is 42 millimeters.
Data confirms structural integrity. Finalizing approval.
Surface finish is within tolerance.